To transfer Ethereum to Gcash, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a Gcash account and an Ethereum wallet. If you do not have these, create them by downloading the Gcash app and an Ethereum wallet app such as MetaMask. Next, go to a cryptocurrency exchange that supports Ethereum and Philippine peso, such as Binance or Coinbase. Create an account on the exchange if you do not already have one. Verify your account by providing the required identification documents. After verification, deposit your Ethereum to the exchange by copying the Ethereum deposit address from the exchange and pasting it into your Ethereum wallet. Confirm the transaction and wait for the Ethereum to be credited to your exchange account. Once your Ethereum is in the exchange, sell it for Philippine peso. The exchange will provide you with the current market rate and the amount of peso you will receive. Confirm the transaction and wait for the peso to be credited to your exchange account. Now, go to the Gcash app and select the Cash In option. Choose the bank transfer option and select the bank associated with the exchange. Enter the amount of peso you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. The exchange will provide you with the bank details to use for the transfer. Copy these details and paste them into the Gcash app. Confirm the transaction and wait for the peso to be credited to your Gcash account. It is essential to note that transfer times and fees may vary depending on the exchange in the Gcash app. Always check the current market rate and fees before making a transaction. Additionally, ensure you are using a reputable exchange and following all security protocols to protect your funds. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer Ethereum to Gcash. Remember to stay informed about market rates and fees to get the best value for your transaction.